Hey there, I'm London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making buffalo cauliflower bites. They're perfectly crispy, baked in the oven, full of spicy buffalo sauce flavor, and did I forget to mention, they can be served to your gluten-free, vegan, paleo, or low-carb guests at your Super Bowl or game day party. So come on y'all, let's get started. Our buffalo cauliflower bites are out of the oven and I cannot wait to dig in. They look and smell so good. All right, I'm gonna get a nice big one here. And of course, gotta dip it in a little bit of the ranch dressing. You can do a vegan or paleo one if you want to. Okay, here we go. They're full of spicy buffalo sauce, and they're secretly cauliflower, which your guests will just freak out about at your Super Bowl or game day party, because these are not only gluten-free and low-carb, but they can also be made vegan. So if you're not already, go ahead and follow at Evolving Table on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or if you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe below so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you again soon.